Welcome to the Logic Kids channel. Today we are going to learn about fun facts about space. Learn with us. Welcome to an adventure into outer space. Let's explore some amazing and fun facts about the universe, planets, stars, and more. Space is so big that we can't even measure it. Scientists say it goes on and on, with no end. Imagine a giant playground that never stops. The sun is a star. Our sun is a giant ball of hot gas. It's actually a star, just like the tiny ones you see in the night sky. But because it's so close to us, it looks much bigger and brighter. There are 8 planets in our solar system. The 8 planets in our solar system are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Earth is the only one where humans live. Jupiter is the biggest planet. Jupiter is so big that you could fit 1,300 Earths inside it. It also has a giant red spot, which is a big storm that's been going on for hundreds of years. The moon is Earth's best friend. The moon is always close to Earth. It looks really big and bright at night because it reflects the light from the sun. That's why it glows. Mars is called the red planet. Mars is called the red planet because of its reddish color. It has dust and rocks that give it a rusty look, almost like red sand. Saturn has beautiful rings. Saturn is famous for its rings. These rings are made of ice, rocks, and dust. If you had a telescope, you could see them clearly. You can't breathe in space. Space doesn't have any air. That means astronauts have to wear special suits with oxygen so they can breathe when they're up there. The sun is very hot. The surface of the sun is about 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit, 5,500 degrees Celsius. It's so hot that you wouldn't be able to get close to it. Stars come in different colors. Stars are not just white. They can be red, blue, yellow, or orange. A star's color shows how hot it is. Blue stars are the hottest, and red stars are the coolest. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.